Okay, so I got a generic, Chinese um flask. Literally, it's like a flask. It's full of plastic. And does this sound single walled? It looks like it's aluminum. Yeah, because that's my double walled. I don't know. Maybe like fifth coffee, by the way. Oh, that's good. Mm, that is really good. So yeah, does that sound single walled, y'all? Because it does feel aluminum. Yes, you can actually feel aluminum. I should actually clean that one utensil. Oh yeah. Anyway, this is from Postbox Bible. Hope you saw the wasteland and asking a question. Peace and God bless.